everyone, welcome back to Slade Secrets YouTube channel. In this video, we are reviewing a Bobbi Boss wig. This wig is a part of their Boss Lace First Class Hair Premium Synthetic Collection. The name of this wig is called Lydia. You can purchase Lydia at your local beauty supply store, online such as Amazon.com, and maybe, just maybe, if she is super cute, if she is as cute as she appears, we will go ahead and make her available for purchase on SladeSecrets.com. So without further ado, let's meet Lydia. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so here is the front side of the tag for this wig. Let's flip to the back. The back shows other wigs a part of this collection. Like, wow, look at the style of this wig. Definitely digging these curls. You already know. The first topic is initial shedding. I'm going to do my usual comb through. Okay, so this wig does have very light shedding. As I was doing a comb through, about 2 hair strands did fall from this wig, so something to know. The shedding is light, but as I always say, shedding is shedding. The next topic is smell. This wig does not have a bad smell. It does smell like a brown paper bag, which doesn't necessarily smell bad to me. So I've smelled wigs that smelled horrid, okay? And this wig is not a horrid smelling wig. So kudos to not stinking, okay? As you can see, I am not having any issues combing my fingers through the hair on this wig. This wig is definitely tangle free, so kudos to that. So as far as texture, the hair texture is fairly soft. This is definitely a good quality of synthetic hair. It does feel like synthetic hair, but it's on the softer side, definitely. The hair feels really nice and it's easy to comb my fingers through, so I'm loving this wig right now. Volume. The wig has curls, and as you can see, baby girl is moving. She has lots of volume. I love it. I love curly wigs. Love, love, love curly wigs. And with that volume, I would say this is in between 130 to 150 density. This is a good amount of hair. Like, this is a full ponytail right here. So this is a good amount of hair, I would say. It is. The hair pattern for this wig is roller set curls. It's just curls, you know, large wanded curls, which is not really a pattern, it's a style. So, but anyways, curls. And as far as hair ends, the hair ends look good. The hair ends are tapered into the style. The hair ends are not dry at all. Like, they did a great job styling and cutting and curling this wig for sure. So kudos to that. The next topic is true to length. Bobbi Boss did not disclose the length for this wig, so we can measure it for our knowledge. This is a characteristic of a wig that I must know, so I will share that information with you. I have the measuring tape starting at the end of the lace part, and as the wig is hanging freely, it does reach the 20-inch mark. So if you decide to straighten this wig, it will definitely be past 20 inches, but that is at the very tail end of the cut. So this wig is cut into a V shape based off what I've seen. So the wig hair is longest in the middle, okay? But that's beyond what we are estimating. So I estimate that this wig is about 20 inches long, so kudos to that. Let's go ahead and talk about the wig structure. This is the front of the wig. You see that they provide you very long baby hair. Let me show you the hairline. So this is the right side of the wig. The hairline on the right side is longer than the left side based off of where the part is. So basically that means your bang should be on the right side. And let me show you the center. The hairline is pre-plucked. You can probably pluck it a little bit more, but there's not much customization you can do for this wig. And finally, here's the left side. So not bad. You can definitely work with this wig. So let's go ahead and take a look at the inner structure for this wig. So here's the front of the wig. As you can see, they give you 2 wig clips. One on the right side of the part lace and one on the left side from the part lace. Boom, boom. See that? The part lace is supposed to be 4 inches deep, so we can go ahead and measure that. That's the one measurement that Bobbi Boss does give, and they are right on the money. The part for this wig is 4 inches deep, so kudos to that. And let's flip to the back of the wig cap. This is the back of the wig cap. This wig cap is fully netted, which means that it should be breathable. They do provide one more wig clip at the very back of the wig with 2 drawstrings and many belt loops to adjust the cap size. So that's pretty much it for this wig. Let's go ahead and try this wig on. Okay guys, so I have this wig on and I am actually impressed. This wig definitely gives me 90s vibes, okay? From the style and the curl, 90s. This is definitely 90s hair, but it is absolutely cute. And the other best part of this wig, the other part that really shocked me, is that it is 100% big head friendly. I am surprised that this cap fit in my head. I'm so surprised. The cap might be a little bit too big, and I have never said that before. Never have I ever in a video, or never have I ever stumbled across a wig, rather, both statements are true, that was a little bit bigger than what I need, which is great, you know? Maybe I will actually use those 2 drawstrings and the belt loops to adjust the cap size. That is amazing. Like, this wig is super cute, and I have a little surprise for you towards the end. Something I've never done in a video before. So hold on, bear with me, okay? So overall, I am rating this wig a 9 out of 10, losing 1 point because it does shed. Even though the shedding is very light, shedding is shedding, a spade is a spade. And based off of how this looks, the comfort level right now, I'm definitely going to add this to slatesecrets.com, and I will put a huge disclaimer. This wig has very light shedding. Definitely watch my YouTube tutorial before you buy. And always, always, always send me a comment if you have any questions. Send me your questions on YouTube, Instagram, or directly on my website. Okay, ready for the surprise? Alright, be right back. You just wait right there, you just wait. Surprise! Yep, I am trying this wig in 2 different colors just for you. Big difference, right? I definitely feel that the color is bold. The wig is still cute by all means, so I just wanted to do a little show and tell, you know, give you all another idea of this wig, you know, see what you like, if you like color or if you like something that's a little bit more natural, which would be the black, the natural black 1B. So, she's not bad. It's growing on me just a little bit. So that is all for this video. I hope that it was helpful. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below in the comments if you have any questions. And be sure to subscribe to Slate Secrets YouTube channel for more wig reviews. Also, let me know, are you guys feeling the color in this style, or are you feeling the 1B black? Let me know what you think in the comments. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye!